Gil, so the dashboard was new with Pro Tools 12.
Right.
And it provides a central point to launch your sessions, or now with Pro Tools Cloud Collaboration, your projects.
That's right. So under the File menu, we're going to go to Create New, and this is going to bring up the dashboard. With Pro Tools 12, like Tom said, the dashboard had a couple of different tabs at that time, Create and Recent. And now with Collaboration in 12.5, we've now got a third tab, Projects. So first off, in creating, you can basically create either a session or a project. And I think this is a good time to kind of maybe talk about the difference between those two items.
Sure. So a session is the traditional Pro Tools session that you're familiar with. It creates a folder on your drive that would have the session file, the audio files, and maybe some other files like video file folders, et cetera, et cetera.
Rendered files, session backups, and also the waveform cache.
Right, exactly. So that, again, that's a local session not able to be collaborated on in the cloud.
That's correct. Now, the project is pretty much just like that, but it lives in the cloud. So actually, we introduced the idea and the concept of the project with Pro Tools first. And now we are bringing this and using this same concept now in regular Pro Tools here with Cloud Collaboration. So we can create a project. You're given a number of different projects depending on what level you are. And basically you'll see here in the Create tab when you're under Projects, how many of those you have total and how many you have left. The rest of it looks just the same way. You can create a project from a blank project. You can use templates like we can before. You can change your file type, bit depth, sample rate, all those type of things. And then the second tab, it's the Recents tab. I mean, it's the same thing that we had before. You basically have the ability to go in and load different sessions and things like that. But if we go to this third tab now under Projects, this is where we go and open up the different projects that we are associated with. And basically, if you see here, there's some different looking icons for some of these different projects. Now, this top one, it's the dark project with, looks like the different individuals there. Basically, this is a project that my user is associated with that I'm a collaborator. I don't own this project. In fact, the first two are that same thing. The third one here with the light purple icon with the individuals on it is basically a project that has collaborators already assigned to it, but I'm the owner of the project. And then the last one down here, which is a lighter purple with the white background, this is just a simple project that has no collaborators tied to it, similar to what you'd see in Pro Tools First.
So that's a great overview of the dashboard and the projects. But Gil, what if we have a session that we've been working on locally and we want to turn it into something we want to collaborate with others?
It's actually something very easy to do, and we can take you through that right now.